Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoha and for today's video I'm going to make my family's favorite dessert recipe, and that is chocolate almond fudge. Hope you guys like this recipe. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my videos, smash that like button. As Diwali is approaching, I decided to make this dessert for my friends and family. To make this delicious treat, you will need 1 bowl of almonds, 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 50 grams butter, 3/4 cup condensed milk, roast almonds for 3 to 4 minutes. Coarsely grind them. Melt butter in a pan. Keep on low flame. Add the cocoa powder. Mix till all lumps dissolve. Add the condensed milk. Mix well. Once you have achieved the smooth consistency, add the coarsely grinded almonds. You can add vanilla essence, it's optional. Mix until it leaves its sides. Now transfer it into a serving dish. Set it. And garnish with almond powder. Hope you guys tried this recipe and let me know in the comments below how was your experience making it. And to all my subscribers and viewers, happy and safe Diwali.